Hey, it's Logan with the airsoft video today. I just got guns today. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So we got this what's it called? Sig Sauer. And yeah. Some cooking stuff. Got that. Yeah. So last one. This is the one came with my other thing. And no, I don't really use that word. But clip. And this one is a Stinger P4. Got one more. It's a Stinger R37, and we got, it's pretty sick. When you shoot it, it hurts bad. We got stuff right there. And then oops, please. A lot of stuff. And then put them back. And we've got I got more like in the shed, but this is my new ones today. Yeah. Bye.